everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's pretty wet here in BC, so no vachetta today. So we'll see. Hope everybody's gonna have a great weekend. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And make sure that you hit the bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. I normally upload at least one, usually 2 per week. So make sure you hit the bell. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Alright, today I have a unboxing from Pandora. This is the back order that was missing, so we'll see how many pieces I got. See if I actually got a full order. So it's a little frustrating. I don't know why they do that, but it's the way it is. Alright, so let's go ahead. Got my blade. And let's see here. Okay, we're in. Got my receipt. Pandora. Okay, so it looks like I got 3. I didn't get my full order. Alright, and we got white tissue paper. Alright, let's see what I actually got here. Okay. Alright, there was... Huh, that's strange. Okay, there's 3 in this one, which I've never seen them do that before. Okay, there's another one there. Normally they just do 1 per box, so I don't know. And here's another one. Alright. Alright, yeah, there's a few missing. Yeah, I don't know, have you guys ever experienced that with Pandora, is that they don't fulfill the whole order? They give you half the order, sometimes you don't get anything, and then you get like 1 thing, and yeah, it's kind of strange. And then they don't require like a signature like Louis does, or Chanel, and the guy just throws the box on the porch. So luckily I live in a fairly safe community where you don't really have to worry too much, but I mean no place is really that safe, you know? So I don't know, it's just kind of strange. Alright, so this one is the rose gold clip. And that is the daisy. And I'll leave pictures. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, Susan Senior Style. Okay, so that's the rose gold one. Alright, and that one goes in this one. And some of these little bags that they give you don't really open that well either. So you have to just kind of slice them open and I guess hope for the best. So we'll see. Alright, and this is the same one, clip. And that's the daisy one in the rose gold. And if you want to see a video on what bracelet, I clip it on, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Alright, here's another one. This is another daisy. It's kind of cool. Silver. Oh, thank you, darling. Yeah, kind of focus a little bit. Kind of get the idea. All right. All right, here's another rose gold one. I think this one is a spacer clip. No, this is a regular clip. In rose gold. Yeah, it's got little crystals on the ends there. And I'm wearing this bracelet today, which is pretty cool. This is what I was talking about in my other video. These balls here, you can remove these, and then you can put different kinds on. They're called end caps. So it's kind of cool. Alright. And let's see what this one is. So yeah, I still have a few more on back order. So hopefully someday I'll get my full order. It's really amazing. Yeah, this is the same one. Yeah, maybe that shows up a little bit. And that's just like the side of it. Alright, so that's my unboxing that I have today. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please leave them below. And also, if you have bought anything from Pandora, do you get like a back order, then you get some of them and they just kind of come when they come? So just let me know below if I'm crazy or who knows. I just find that very weird that you order things and they say that they're in stock, but then you don't get it with your order. You get it like a while after. So it's kind of strange. Alright, well that's my unboxing from Pandora today. I hope everybody's staying safe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a good week, guys. Bye-bye.